Do you want to learn how to manage different social media channels from one place? Well, this is Devendra Kashyap, owner and CEO of DKM Advertising, and today we will be talking about Hootsuite, a single social media platform to manage all your social media channels from one place. So, without further ado, let's jump into it. This is the page where we will be signing up for Hootsuite, and it provides two accounts that's basically free and professional. With free, you will be only able to add two accounts at once and five posting or scheduling that we will talk about in the account. And with the professional ones, you will be able to add 10 social media accounts, order scheduling features, publishing calendar, and so many others. But today we will be only talking about a free account. Also, I would be sharing the link in the description if you want to create your account from there. Simply click on now sign up now. It will ask you for your email and first name or last name. So just put your name there, your email, and your password. Hit enter. Now it will ask you few questions like what's your goal, whether you want to analyze or report on social, save time, or just checking out Hootsuite. You can click any of the options. It doesn't matter because it won't be limiting you the features that the Hootsuite will provide. So you can either click on other or you can click any of which that you want. I'm just clicking other. Now it will ask you what best describes your organization or basically how many people manage social media channel for your organization. In my case, I'm clicking one. You can choose the best that describes your media channel or the team, the number of individuals managing your team. Now, what's your industry? But which industry you are talking about on social media channels? So whether is it educational, technological? So whatsoever best describes you again, just hit that. Or if nothing suits your industry or the page that you're working on, there's an option to click on other. Once that, it will ask you which best describes your role. So whether you are a freelancer, own a business, influencer, or an agency supporting social media for clients. So in my case, I will click on freelancer, but again, you can click on other if you want to, and click on continue. Now, it will ask you to create your or connect your account. Since it's a free account, you will be only able to add two profiles or pages or groups or channels. So you can have any other combination that you want. So let's say I want to connect with Twitter first, have your username or email, hit sign in, and then it will redirect and see it's there. You can either connect your second account also, but I will be also guiding you how to actually connect it from the internal settings as well. So once you are done there, you will uh, start to see page like this. Uh, Here you will get a lot of features, but since it's the first time, the platform itself will be guiding you. So you can click on get started and add your account from here as well. But the best advice that I will give you to always, once you're on this page, come to my profile and here just add your account, social media accounts if you haven't done already. Here also you will get the options to connect your account. Just click on private account. For instance, now I want to connect with my LinkedIn. Just click LinkedIn. It will ask for the email and the password. Once you put it there, just simply click on sign in. Now it will ask you whether you want to create link with a page or your profile, personal profile. So let's say I want to add personal profile. Click there and done. But what if I also wanted to have my LinkedIn page connected to? Again, repeat the step, click on LinkedIn, same pop-up will come up. And now this time I want to add online marketing tips and quick page, click done. But as you can see now we have utilized both of the options that we get like adding two social media accounts. But how do we want, what if we wanted to add a different social media channel? For instance, I wanted to connect Twitter here again. So just hover your mouse over the gearbox icon, and once you click there, you will get all these options. And I want to simply remove from Hootsuite. Click there and done. Now let's say I wanted to add Twitter. Click Twitter, put there your credentials, hit enter. If you by accident put a wrong password, you will get this warning. So if you either just X out of it, it will give you the same error. So the best advice is to X out of the main pop-up page. Now let's connect again. Hit sign in. It says this social network is currently owned by another user. Do you want to take ownership? Yes, because it must be connected with my another account. So as you can see now we have both of the accounts here. Now these are the few features that we were talking about earlier. Like we get streams here, publisher, advertise, or analytics. So once you click on stream, you will get a page like this. Now, as you can see the pages that I have added, so it has automatically renamed some, not renamed, it just have that name automatically fetched. So since we have personal account, this one stat, this is the page that we were talking about and that I deleted. So that's why it is like this. It's a board basically. And the third one is Twitter. And here's the stream that I'm getting now. Now I just want to delete the board here since I just can't have it because of the two limitation adding account feature. Oh, so I will just simply X out of it and it will be deleted. Now this is my LinkedIn and these are the streams. Like as you can see, we have my update schedule, and now we can have all of these streams as well. How do we add it? Just simply click on home or whichever stream you want. It will basically start adding the option that you are clicking on. So I have added a lot now. So let's delete some. Now how to delete it? You just need to hover your mouse to the three dots that you are able to see in each and every screen. Click there and you will get an option to delete screen. And what, or if you wanted to rearrange your screen, you want to have the home one in the first, just uh, click there and hover your mouse to the right position where you want your screen to be there. And I don't want my band or basically to be highlighted with the mentions. So I'm deleting mentions and retweets or scheduling. I don't want it. No, I actually want it. It's okay then. Now we are on LinkedIn Devendra Kashyap. That's the one board. And as you can see, it has both accounts. Like here you can see Twitter. The next one is LinkedIn. What if you only wanted to have LinkedIn stuff on this board? So if you wanted to do that, definitely delete the irrelevant one. Come here and you will able to select your account now. But as you can see for Twitter, there are so many options. For LinkedIn, there isn't much. See, we only get my updates or schedule. So if you wanted to have my updates, just click on my updates and your feed will be there. Okay. And the next one is schedule. If you post something that we will be talking about shortly. So this is our LinkedIn feed or LinkedIn board. Now let's move to Twitter. Just click there and you have again all the options. I don't want to have the mention thing here. And now let's discuss what these or most of the features provide. Home basically covers everything that's coming in your Twitter home page. So whatsoever the content you will be able to see on home would be coming there. Mentions basically if someone mentions you, then you will be having that screen there. And retweets, how many people or who actually retweeted your tweet. For instance, if I just click there, it says these are the retweets and these are the number of times that it's been retweeted. You can see who retweeted. You just hover your mouse, it says follow whatsoever that is. Okay. Followers, you can have the followers list that's custom made who liked your tweets or my tweets, whether you want to see my tweets or not. But if we have this options, everything matters basically on your business, depending on your business. For instance, my tweet would be helpful for you if there's lots of engagement in your page, multiple people are liking or dropping a comment in it, and it would be a very easy place from this place to actually respond back to that audience or customers. Or if someone has a question, you can answer them instantly so that your competitor won't be taking the advantage of the opportunity and grabbing that customer because you would be here answering them first. So that was the my tweet features options, or I would say the function that you should use for. So these are the my tweets. Let's explore followers now. Followers basically let you see who follow you and what are they posting. But I just wanted to search or go through the search one. So once you click there, for instance, let's search for Hootsuite since we are working on it and click search. Now it has a new stream added. Now, what if I wanted to um, have a list of the people with a minimum of 5,000 followers who actually mention Hootsuite? So, in order to do that, just click on search here and just add followers. And there's this bar. Once you start dragging, it will have the number of followers. So as you keep on increasing, these posts keeps on changing. Now, what would be the benefit of this feature? For instance, uh, you are a Hootsuite, let's say, affiliator, and these people actually talk about Hootsuite, and these have followers of 5,000 plus. So why don't you just come to the stream, drop a like, or just a reply about your service, not exactly survey, whatever your strategy is, and there might be a high chance that people from this person will start following you or get in touch with you. So it's basically your business strategy that keeps on varies according business to business, and these are few tricks that you can always work around for your business. Now these were the steps that we talked about, and there are actually a few more options if we just have it. So I'm deleting the unwanted one. Okay. It gives you advanced search. Now we will be talking about publisher. Publisher is basically an option to schedule your post. Since you will be managing different accounts, this platform will allow you to actually post all your content from one place. So how to do that? Just this is the planner for the whole month that you are able to see. This is the time frame you can check or have the dates listed. And since it's click on week, it will be only giving you a week thing. Once you click on month, it will give you the whole month. So Activate helps you to pre-plan in future what your post is going to be about, and you have all of the content in advance ready for your pages. But we would be now doing scheduling thing. So let's schedule. Once you are in this screen, just click on start scheduling, and once you click there, it will ask you on which account you want this post to publish. So if you want it to LinkedIn, just have it there. Or what if you wanted to have the same post on both accounts? So if that's the case, just click on there. It will give you two accounts because you can only add two. And just click on the second one. Now you have both accounts ready. So this will be the post. And if you see, it says initial content. So this is the post that basically coming up like this in both platforms. But if you want to have the exact look and feel, just click on the platform, and this is how it will show on Twitter. And this is how it's gonna come up on LinkedIn. Now, once you have it, you just need to click on schedule for later, or if you want to post it immediately, just click there. Or if you want to click or save it as a draft, here's the option. But I want to schedule it, and let's this date, and I want to schedule it, let's say 7 p.m. So you can have that anytime that you want, and then just click on done, and that's it. Click on schedule. Now, once you do that, it will be start showing up here as this, like it says schedule for LinkedIn. But if you go to now publisher, it will be start coming up in the planner as well. For instance, uh, this is web poster, and here you can see it says two schedules. Once you click there, it says review this day. Once you review, now it will be in more general details. Like first one is Twitter, another one is LinkedIn, and you will have all that and the content. If you click on schedule, you will have your post here like that. A quick overview, I would say. So, so these are the few options that you can use to put to your use in order to post or manage your social media channels daily. And just a last hack, if you have 4 accounts, and since this platform only offers you 2 free, you can have another ID and put those accounts on different Hootsuite. From there, you will be able to now manage 4 accounts freely, and you'll be able to do the posting and checking your streams, just basically monitoring. So you can put up to good use according to your size. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope this helps, and wish you everyone a good time. Bye bye.